Welcome back to Pittsburgh Living on KDKA TV. I'm your host, Carol Lee Espy, and today we are featuring 9 excellent tri-state businesses. And coming up, we'll have Danielle Bodner from Life Pittsburgh, and Janet McKee from SanaView.com, Holly Martin from Greenbrier Treatment and Center, and Dr. Nathan Lochry from Aspen Dental. Maureen Haggerty is from Hospice and Palliative Care, and Cookie Harris from New Image Hair Clinic. But right now, let's welcome Dr. Anthony DiCesaro from Whitehall Health Center and Laser Spa. Welcome to Pittsburgh Living.
Well, thanks for having us back.
How are things?
Wonderful.
Good.
And you?
They're fine. They're fine.
Good,
So what do you
good.
do at Whitehall Laser Spa and Health Center? Did I get it all right?
Well, yeah, Whitehall Health Center and Laser
Laser
Spa. Sure, either way is fine. You know, we've been doing a lot of things. I'm a chiropractor. Been a chiropractor for 16 years. So we have our regular chiropractic rehabilitative patients there. And then a couple years ago, I started the aesthetic side of the practice, and we started doing some fractional fat reduction with the Lipo lasers. So
we like those Lipo lasers.
Yeah, you know what? It's a great another part of my practice. You know, like I said, the aesthetic side is different from what I've been doing for all those years, which is great, and we're relatively successful and very successful. But this is a lot of fun, helping people to lose weight, to hit their goals, exercise-wise. It's been a lot of fun for us.
And in a non-invasive way.
Absolutely, absolutely non-invasive. The way that the lasers work and the lipo lasers themselves, it's based on the NASA studies from some years back, where 635 nanometer light is used to open a transitory pore on the cell. I know, blah blah blah.
It's okay,
right? Yeah.
But hey, wah,
So
wah, wah,
think
yeah.
think a grape going to a raisin where the contents are put into the bloodstream to be used as fuel. So it actually you
So
lose
that's
inches.
where it goes.
That's where it goes, and it needs to be burned. It needs to be metabolized. But you know, the problem is that most of us can't. We have those areas where you can't lose because
just won't budge.
you can't. And after you get a little bit, you know, over 40 specifically or 35, it becomes even harder.
Now you've brought a client with you, Margie Claypool,
I did.
who has had this done, because we always want to talk to somebody who's actually had it done. So tell us about your experience. How many inches did you lose? We want to know.
27.25 off my core.
Oh my gosh. Now, how did you do this? What was your procedure?
Procedure, met Dr. Tony on May 29th and went for the consultation and started with the eye lipo at that time, and it helped sculpt and reduce it, and I've also lost 3.5 inches off of each thigh.
Oh my gosh. Now in between this, were you also walking and exercising along with it?
Yes, absolutely, you have to. It's a whole lifestyle change. So you look at trying to cut calories, do exercise, and actually I've lost 53 pounds. My goal was 50 pounds by Christmas.
So you're a walking recommendation. So
yes.
Margie's been fantastic. She really has. You know, part of the way that this works is we're releasing these contents which we're unable to do on our own, that the body has to burn it. So the more that we make it easy for a patient to be able to do that. So and she has followed recommendations. She's my star patient.
You look wonderful.
Without a doubt. Yeah,
Absolutely
she has done some wonderful things.
Actually, I've gone down from a size 16 to an 8.
So a whole new excuse for a whole new wardrobe.
Yes, indeed.
That's the best thing you can see around the holidays.
She yelled at me about that.
Yes.
Now I have to buy new clothes.
Now, do you have any specials going on right now?
We do. Okay. Right now we are. I'm offering anyone who wants to come in and to call. We're doing.
Here it is.
Dun, da, 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 the gift cards.
You get your gift
for this year.
Those are wonderful.
There you go. That's
thank
for
you. Thank you. My Christmas present.
For your Christmas present. 30% off any of our products, any of our things that are in the office, any of our procedures.
Wonderful.
One visit, 10 visit, whatever we need to do, but we're going to do that for Christmas.
And tell us where your locations are and a new location.
We have our locations are in Whitehall, the Whitehall Laser Spa, and Health Center Laser Spa where we started. We're in McMurray as well, and then we're opening in Robinson in Settlers Ridge.
Wonderful.
So we'll be there the next week, within the next week. So the girls are putting things together and getting things.
That's good to hear.
Set
Well,
up
thank
right
you so
now.
much for coming.